in Missouri. So people over there are dying of fentanyl and everything all over the place.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, you don't even have to. You just be around that stuff.
Yeah, if you even breathe it in.
My friend's a cop in Phoenix, and he said, you know, those triplers that you get to shoot up the flares. So if cops are busy trying to keep the cops alive. Like I said, they're good. I know they're good. I just noticed.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Randy, do you want in the video? No?
Randy, do you want in the video? Listen to old people's music in the truck.
Old people music?
Yeah.
What is that?
Dance music.
Dance music? What kind of music is
The
that?
Beach Boys.
Beach Boys.
You know, the thumb drive.
A little bit of everything. Garth Brooks.
That's what we ordered. Catfish
Way back in the kitchen.
fillet.
Yeah. Man, she just got a wonderful voice.
Was it that one more time?